get to you too. Now let's get into work. The first thing I'll be teaching you this year is how to make a spray perfume. Remember, 2025 is just like another day, except if you try to make a difference yourself. The first item you'll be needing is your ethanol. Ethanol, not menthanol. I will tell you the difference between both before the end of this video, and why you should use ethanol and not menthanol. The next item you'll be needing is water. Don't worry, I will give you the measurements before the end of the video. You will be needing water, please. Very clean water. Very clean water. Then the next item is your glycerin. You see, my obligation this year and my motto is Operation You Must Learn Something by Force by Fire. The next item is menthol. You can save this video or drop a comment so that you can always come back to my videos, because I will be teaching you over 50 things this year. Passion fragrance is what we'll be using for this particular production. You can choose to use any fragrance you so wish. Now, this is blue water. You might be thinking that what is all this thing Paramount is showing us? Just calm down. Don't be lazy. I got these bottles and my recipe from Ojota Market in Lagos, Nigeria. You can drop your location and ask in the comment section if there's any chemical market in your area, and people that know will tell you. Now let's go into major production. 345 ml of ethanol in a very clean bowl. Ethanol is what will act as solvent. It's going to help you create that sprayable consistency. You know when you spray perfume and it disperses well on the skin and evaporate, that is the job of ethanol. Now this is why I advise you not to use menthanol. The major reason is because menthanol can be toxic and it can irritate your skin. That is why I say calm down. You will learn from me. The next item is your 1 tablespoon of menthol. You need to dissolve this menthol in your ethanol. You dissolve it till everything becomes liquid. Some of you are here to type my thank you in the comment section. That is my only rule. So whenever you watch my video, you must type thank you in the comment section so that my head can be swelling up so that I can do more. Also, check if you are following me, because some of you are watching my video from FY. Please, it is optional. If you wish to follow me, then you are welcome to my world. So let's continue. Your menthol is going to take a while to dissolve, but as we wait for it to dissolve, let's talk about the function of menthol in your spray perfume. You see this menthol, it serves as a counter irritant. I go break everything down to you, no worry. It also gives this cooling effect. Let me explain something to you. Whenever you spray a perfume, do you notice that it look as if the perfume is cold? Like whenever it touches your skin, it is this menthol that is doing all of that. If you know you want to go into perfume business, you need to acquire more knowledge, adequate knowledge. But I tell you, perfume business is very lucrative and very, very profitable. Some of you are just lazy. That is the problem. But this 2025, some of you are even lazy to even watch video till end. But this 2025, I want you to tell yourself that this is my year. Even if you are not going to use something, here's the knowledge. Now, this is our 75 ml of clean water. You pour it into the production. Like I said, this is a water-based production, not an alcohol-based production. And the next item going in is your glycerin. 25 ml of glycerin. Glycerin is what will act as a binder in your production. Now you go bring everything together. I just paid £300 for an international class on body enhancement. Believe me, most of your odogus did this class. I am a content creator. Believe me, I use money to find money. I might decide to also hold a class, or better still, I can just teach people for free. After all, content creating pays me. Now, the next thing we'll be needing is our passion fragrance. This is where the twists come in. 20 ml, but you can mix as much fragrance as you want, depending on how you want it to come out. But make sure that everything is 20 ml at the end. Do you understand that part? I mean, you can mix as much as possible. Don't try mix anything oil fragrance, so because you need to remember that this is water soluble, not alcohol. Oil will not stay inside, your oil will separate. So now the next item is blue water, 20 ml. As you are pouring it, be using one hand to mix it. I want to quickly tell you something, please. You see this 2025, anything that has to do with pay 10,000, pay 15,000 to register for one platform, Paramount, I am not involved. I am not saying it is fake and I am not saying it is real, but if you see them using my own video for promotion, know that it is fake. I have promised myself that I will never ever get involved, no matter the amount involved. So if you see them using my video anywhere, I mean, these are old videos that are not even on my page anymore. Do the needful to such accounts. But if you don't see my videos on their page, you are an adult. You are free to make your own decision. That is the PDF of everything I use on your screen. If you can't see it clearly, just demand in the comment section. Say something nice first, then tell me, Paramount, please private send me the PDF and I will send it to your DM. p.m. I also want to use this period to apologize to whosoever I have offended in the year 2024, knowingly or unknowingly. But believe me, I will never knowingly offend you. But please forgive me. This year 2025, I promise to do better and to make it up to you. Yesterday, I taught you guys how to do stretch mark oil that is very effective. Today is perfume. I have 3 things in mind to drop tomorrow. Number 1 is hair conditioner. Number 2 is how to color grade your video, upgraded version. Number 3 is how to do alcohol based perfume. Which one should I drop next? Another thing is that whenever you produce your perfume, please leave it for at least 1 week to settle down before using it. One thing I want you to know, that you see this production that I just taught you, it is what people will collect money. In fact, it is what I have collected money to teach people. This is a guide for you. If you want to go into perfume selling, acquire more knowledge. But you see this one already, it is a guide. It is just your fragrance that you need to keep changing. As simple as that. If you have any question, do well to ask in the comment section and I will try my best to reply you. If you think I deserve your thank you, then just appreciate me in the comment section. And once again, if you need me to private send you the, just ask. Bye. See you 8 a.m. tomorrow.